Welcome to BioVerse. Today, we'll explore some common medical equipment and how they're used in healthcare. Blood pressure monitors. These devices are used to measure a patient's blood pressure accurately, helping doctors monitor heart health. Masks protect both patients and healthcare workers from infections, keeping everyone safe. Oxygen equipment. Oxygen equipment provides supplemental oxygen to patients who have difficulty breathing. Thermometers measure body temperature to detect fever or infection quickly. Glucometers check blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Nebulizers deliver medication directly into the lungs, helping patients with asthma or other respiratory conditions. Stethoscopes allow doctors to listen to heart, lung, and bowel sounds for accurate diagnoses. Anesthesia machines. These machines provide controlled anesthesia during surgeries, ensuring patient safety and comfort. Defibrillators deliver electric shocks to restore normal heart rhythm during cardiac emergencies. Dialysis machines. Dialysis machines remove waste and excess fluid from the blood for patients with kidney failure. ECG or EKG machines. These machines record the electrical activity of the heart, helping detect heart abnormalities. First aid kits. First aid kits contain essential supplies to provide immediate care in emergencies. Ventilators support or replace breathing in critically ill patients. Absorbable surgical sutures. These sutures are used to close wounds and dissolve naturally in the body over time. Antiseptic wipes. Antiseptic wipes clean the skin and surfaces, helping prevent infections. Disposable gloves protect hands and reduce the risk of cross-contamination during medical procedures. Gauze is used to cover and protect wounds or absorb fluids. Insulin is a vital medication for managing diabetes. Medical tape secures dressings, tubing, or bandages in place during treatment. Operating tables provide adjustable support for patients during surgeries. Pulse oximeters. Pulse oximeters measure oxygen saturation in the blood without the need for needles. Scales. Scales are used to measure a patient's body weight accurately, helping track health over time. Thank you for watching this video on medical equipment and their uses. We hope it helped you learn about important tools like the blood pressure monitor, stethoscope, thermometer, glucometer, oxygen equipment, nebulizer, defibrillator, and more. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nursing and medical study content. See you in the next video.